Senate Bill 646. Imagine this. Imagine a school district that cannot find enough counselors. A young counselor wants the job, but is buried in student loans. This bill says the state might help pay down those loans if the counselor agrees to work in that school. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 646 says it is meant to strengthen Texas' mental health workforce by expanding a loan repayment program. The idea is to attract more counselors, therapists, and social workers into schools in underserved communities. What it actually does? This means more types of mental health professionals can qualify for loan repayment, and the maximum amounts the state will pay are higher. It also means a state agency gets more control over how money is moved between professions and can spend some of that money on marketing the program instead of directly paying new down loans. Who benefits? Mental health professionals with student debt, school districts that need counselors, rural providers who struggle to hire staff, professional and advocacy groups that pushed for expanded eligibility. Who pays the price? Communities that may see fewer resources if funds are shifted elsewhere. Urban clinics or specialties that could lose out when bonuses tilt funding. Taxpayers if money is spent on advertising instead of direct services. Why it matters. Mental health care affects classrooms, families, and workplaces. When counselors cannot be hired, students struggle and problems grow quietly. But when programs are expanded without clear public reporting, everyday Texans cannot see where the money really goes or whether it is being used fairly. Questions to ask your lawmakers. Why is public reporting optional instead of required so Texans can see how funds are distributed? How will you ensure money spent on marketing does not reduce help for people actually providing care? If the program reaches capacity, will funding be increased or will qualified workers be turned away? Bottom line, Senate Bill 646 helps bring more mental health workers into the system, but without stronger transparency, Texans are asked to trust that the money will be used the right way.